welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today we are going to make oat chila or pancake or utpam with vegetable. It is going to be vegan and vegetarian, and it is going to be super healthy, super easy, super quick, and very few ingredients which we already have in our house, in our kitchen. So let's see what we need for it. To make our oat chilas, pancake or utpam, we need obviously oat. It is oat flour, or if you don't have oat flour, so you can grind your normal oat you have in your house, so it will become like a flour. Or and then I will add some gram flour, means besan. It will give little flavor and little bind. And then I am going to use some semolina. Semolina is very good. It will give some crispiness and it will give a lovely texture. So I just mix all of them very well, and then I will add just water, normal tap water. Mix a little bit at a time. As I always say, we can't take it out. We can just add easily. It is all done. It is right consistency. Now I will leave it one side for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then it will soak very nicely with water. It will combine all together very nicely. In this way, our oat chilas will become more soft and more fluffy. So this tip is very important. Look at this, our batter is ready. It rested. On this point, if you think it is consistency is not right, so you can add little bit more water. Now I will add some hing, asafoetida, if you have. If you don't have, so still you can skip this. And then I will add some chopped ginger, and then I will add some coriander powder, some chili powder, some turmeric, and some clove seeds, and little soda bicarbonate, very tiny, and some salt to taste. And then we will add some little lemon. Then soda bicarbonate works better if we add lemon. And then garam masala. It is homemade garam masala, so it is always good to use homemade garam masala. Otherwise you can use market one as well. Now I will mix. By the time it was resting, I just prepare my vegetable. My pan, flat pan, is on medium flame. So now I will have one big spoonful, and then look at this, easily. If you want, you can make big one. If you want, you can make a small one. And then I will add some vegetable, and you can add any choice of your vegetable, whatever you have in your fridge. If we want, we can add little bit oil. Otherwise, if it is non-stick pan, we don't need oil. that much. And that's it. We need to cook it few minutes, and then we will, now I will turn it over. It is ready to flip it over. Look at this. It is lovely golden color. So I will cook it from other side as well. Takes hardly any oil, so it is very healthy. Let's see. Look at this. It is very nicely done. Cook both sides. So I will make same way other one. For it, what I did in my tiny bowl, there's some little oil and water. So I will wipe it. It is good way to prepare your pan. Then it won't stick and it will take less oil. And we will just press it like that. It is done. So I will make my rest of them in same way. So here we go. Our lovely oat chila pancake or utpam are ready. It is very healthy. You can enjoy in breakfast, lunch or as a snack. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. And always remember to hit this bell button for more notifications, then you won't miss any recipe, any post. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Cheers. Bye. See you next.